Hello students! In this video, we're going to explore the exciting world of collocations. Let's learn together. A collocation is a grouping of two or more words that are often used together to express a single thought. Some word arrangements that may not go well together should be avoided as they seem to be forced or strange. For example, take a shower, correct collocation, whereas make a shower is an incorrect collocation. Now let's learn the importance of collocations. Learning collocations helps to expand vocabulary and sound more natural. Using common word pairs can help to communicate better with people who speak a different language. Collocations make ideas easier to understand. Using familiar word combinations reduces misunderstandings. Let's look into types of collocations. First is verb collocations. These pairs include verbs that naturally go with nouns. For example, Shelley made a decision. Then, adjective collocations. They are naturally paired with nouns. For example, Alice made a strong argument. Lastly, we have noun collocations. These words always sound good together, like James's school bus arrives at 8 a.m. Now, let's look at how collocations work in sentences. The teacher spoke softly to the crying child to comfort him. Here, spoke softly is a common collocation. Joshua ran tirelessly for his team in the relay race. Here, ran tirelessly is a common collocation. Now it's your turn to answer. Give one example of adjective collocation. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.